Are you looking for a portable gaming keyboard? Well, this 60% keyboard from Redragon is probably the keyboard you're looking for. Not only is it 60%, as I said, it's also very slim, it's mechanical, it's got RGB backlighting, you can connect up via USB, wireless or Bluetooth. The packaging here is sleek and informative, showcasing the product in a gloss image that really makes it pop. It's a clean design that presents all the basic info right up front, while the specs and features are neatly detailed in multiple languages on the back and the side of the box. Inside, we're greeted by another box. This box proudly bearing the Redragon logo. There are two compartments here. The smaller one houses the keycap remover, a switch remover, a 1.6 meter right-angled USB Type-C to USB Type-C cable, complete with a USB Type-A adapter and a Velcro cable tidy. There is also a cute little box housing for 4 extra switches. In the second compartment you'll find the star of the show, the K632 PRO itself, along with a handy manual and some cool Redragon stickers. Moving on to the lighting. There's a variety of modes from a rainbow effect all the way to the option of customizing each individual key. However, we found the backlighting a little bit lackluster. It's understandable given the desire to conserve battery life in a wireless keyboard of its size, but having the option for a brighter lighting, especially when plugged in, would have been appreciated. The optional software allows for customization that really elevates the keyboard, with the ability to create macros, change key function, adjust lighting effects, and even export settings to another PC. This little beast can be tailored to your exact needs. The base of the keyboard houses a Wi-Fi adapter, ensuring easy storage. There are 4 anti-slip feet and 1-step adjustable stands with non-slip ends as well, along with a power on-off switch. The USB Type-C connection point is neatly tucked to the left side of the keyboard, while the branded logo graces the right-hand side. On the top we have some dedicated macro buttons and media controls, a nice addition for gaming or media consumption. There are 2 LED indicators for caps lock and connection mode, and a volume wheel that offers a satisfying tactile feedback. The build quality is top notch, solid with little to no flex, and it's surprisingly lightweight for such a robust construction. It's clear that Redragon continues to take pride in their products. You have multiple ways you can connect this keyboard to your laptop, PC or other devices. You can use Bluetooth, and you can have up to 3 different Bluetooth devices set up. You can also use Wi-Fi using the dongle, which is included usually on a traditional PC or laptop, and you've got the option of plugging the cable in as well, which will also charge the device if you need to. Okay, so we're doing a sound test now. This is the microphone here. It's exactly 20 centimeters away from the top line. You'll notice my voice sounds a little bit different as well because, again, the microphone is further away from me and I'm having to speak up a little bit, and this is totally unedited. Right, just to give you a rough idea what a traditional keyboard sounds like. So that gives you a rough idea what it's going to sound like in comparison to a traditional keyboard. Okay, so let's start off with the QWERTY line. The enter key. The space bar. Right control. Right shift. Left control. Left shift, escape key, macro buttons, and the wheel. So there you have it, folks. The Redragon Noctis K632 PRO, a compact, versatile and well-built keyboard that's perfect for gamers and creatives alike. Despite its minor hiccups with the backlighting, it's a solid offering from Redragon. If you're on the market for a 60% low-profile keyboard which has got some nice switches, this one is definitely worth a look. I hope you enjoyed this video, and no, I did. Why not check out one of our other videos by clicking this box up here, or this one just down here. Otherwise, you can give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe, comment below, let us know what you think, and we'll see you next time.